Welcome to a quick demo of Whip Active Backup for Power BI, the only fully automated zero-touch backup and restore solution for Power BI, ensuring compliance with automation and security standards. Starting with the login screen, we've set up our login screen using our Microsoft Entra ID for automatic authentication. Once logged in, you can choose your landing page. In the admin section, configure your server, select your streams and users for backups, and manage your user details. Your global configurations display your license information. Web Active Backup relies on retention policies tailored to organizational needs. For developer applications, backups occur every 15 minutes, with the final backup retained per policy. Published applications are versioned and restored securely based on defined retention rules, ensuring compliance and data integrity. The Active Control interface is your hub for managing backups. It displays all historical version backups and their iterations aligned with retention policies. If you accidentally delete critical elements like a report or workspace, Active Control makes restoration simple. You can use filters at the top or column headings to locate the desired application quickly. Select the latest backup iteration, then restore it. Restoring is seamless. In your workspace, you can then validate the restore to confirm that everything that you lost has been restored. Web Active Backup ensures a complete backup, automatically restoring selected objects with a single click. The Restore History section provides a detailed log of all restore activities showing previous and current versions along with timestamps and destinations for each restore. This audit trail supports compliance and transparency. That's Whip Active Backup in action. It delivers automated, secure backups and effortless restores for your Power BI workspaces.